it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S here with another reaction. Move. Today we are again with Najeeriii. Yeah, man, Najeeriii with Big Mac. We now waste the time. I jump straight to the one here. It's an audio visuals. Yes, it's an audio visual. So I can jump in it and see what I want. I can see what I want. Yeah, Big Mac. So this one, as you can see, the thumbnail is quite interesting because you know the McDonald's chips bag, like fries bag, where you get the fries in it. This is the same red thing, Big Mac, you know, McDonald's food. So, but inside of it, you see lots of bullets instead of fries. You see me? Yes, instead of fries, you see lots of. So it's I guess it's something interesting. So I'm gonna jump into one anyway and see what I go on. Let's go.
Within show some boys said them not bad. Roll out with the 16 show some boys said them not bad. Them a chat up them out attack go guns for them not have. We got rifles by the boatloads and the bombs come in the van. I got that how we run Portmore with them run like a track.
Hold on, man. That one are different. We can hear everything when I say. Clarity peak, it's on point. Me hear what the G I say. Najeeriii, big up yourself. You don't need no subtitles for that one, I'm a fam. Them not bad. I want bad. I want time enough.
The 16 show some boys said them not bad. Them a chat up them out attack go guns for them not have. We got rifles by the boatloads and the bombs come in the van.
We have rifles by the boatload. We have the bombs coming in the van.
Attack go guns for them not have. We got rifles by the boatloads and the bombs come in the van. I got that how we run Portmore with them run like a track. Vibe them out just like a map. Load up a clock. Them want smoke, them getting popped. 6 pounds attack. Them want beef it come in fries. This are no fucking Big Mac.
Them want beef it come with fries. This are no fucking Big Mac. Or 9. Ready again.
Roll out with the 16 show some boys said them not bad. Them a chat up them out attack go guns for them not have. We got rifles by the boatloads and the bombs come in the van. I got that how we run Portmore with them run like a track. Vibe them out.
Man say, yo, after that, we run Portmore with them run like a track. So them not run nowhere. Only run them like a track. You seeing bold. Yeah, Shelly and Fraser too. If them a female, let's go.
Bombs come in the van. I got that how we run Portmore with them run like a track. Vibe them out just like a map. Load up a clock. Them want smoke, them getting popped. 6 pounds attack. Them want beef it come in fries. This are no fucking Big Mac. Them a run up them out. So we spinning in black.
Yeah, run off with the mouth on a chat like radio. Pussy, me I go spin your black. Watch it when the markets pull up. Pines.
I no fucking Big Mac. Them a run up them out. So we spinning in black. Them a fag, clown bag. Shotty walking with the rifle, brawling and no rap. Digging out the shot, them out the ground just like a crab. Them things I'm a car, but I'm fucking head mad. Pan a knock, man a cap. Talk said them a this and that, oh God, bro, stop it cap.
Hold on, me just realize something. Pan the thumbnail itself. Me just... I don't know mistake, you know. We just realized that all heap of blood on the logo itself, like some of the blood on the logo. It matched with the way the G said the dog. It matched them, bro.
Bro, stop it, cap. Enough guns like Iraq, we got everything with them lock. Chip clock lift up like a...
Enough gun like Iraq, we got everything with them lock. Them lock are it over there, so them not have it, we have it. Yes. Them not have nothing over there, so we have enough gun like a Iraq, brother.
Enough guns like Iraq, we got everything with them lock. Chip clock lift up like a frag. I'm in a itch, we kill a man. Roll out with the 16 show some boys say them not bad. Them a chat up them out attack go guns for them not have. We got rifles by the boatloads and the bombs come in the van. I got that how we run Portmore with them run like a track. Vibe them out just like a map. Load up the clock.
Wipe them out just like a map. wipe them out just like a map. We map the wipe. Wipe them out. But not the type of wipe them again. Hold them on. Wait a land.
Come in a furry. Them want smoke, them getting popped. 6 pounds attack. Them want beef, it come with fries. This are no fucking Big Mac. Them a run up them out. So we spinning in black. Barrel a shot, a map blood bar. M16, and if I just ride. Walk with the pan, cause the extender done fast. Clip that like what? Send them to the mall. Them don't want why. Them just attack. You should have careful you fuck when you pick your card. Go bad, bad like yard. Fucking up a yard and a brad. Man, roll out with the 16 through some boys say them not bad. Them a charge up them out at top. Guns with them not bad. We got rifles by the boat roads and the bombs come in the van. I cut that out, we run Portmore with them run like a track. Vibe them out just like a map. Load up a clock. Them want smoke, them getting popped. 6 pounds attack.
Them want smoke, them getting pop. Pop smoke get gunshot. Them want smoke, them getting pop. But
load up a clock. Them want smoke, them getting popped. 6 pounds attack. Them want beef, it come with fries. This are no fucking Big Mac. Them a run up them out. So we spinning in black.
Yo, this is a different side of Najeeriii. We can hear everything when I say clarity. Compare this to what is her name? Janko pants them tear. Me duck here. Adapt me here now. Yeah, Janko pants them tear. Oh, you know which Janko wear pants, bro. But adapt me here, not the song. Nobody can tell me say adapt me here. But compare that to this. You can hear everything what the G say. Like, you don't need no subtitles. Yo, the G switch of everything, bro. I make the people know. Say, yo, listen. Me over here, so I can do it to fam. You know what I mean? But it's bad still. Big Mac, yeah, it's bad. I think this is a general diss song. It's not listening to anybody else to say. But the next one, in a Kappa boy, you know, say him a diss 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 Bama. Yeah, cause 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐂𝐓 called him name. So he must be calm. Remember, say 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓 say, yo, hood stuck in a bad mode, so him can't find a song, you know. So you know, say, but I forgot to defend him team. But let me know what go on anyway. The war, round one just finished. We not here. Or we don't know if Roger Wild I gonna say anything else. So make we hear, make we know. You see me? Let me know what you guys think in the comment section though. I'll catch you guys down there for real. Pieces.
Binds. I know say one nation represent for Jamaica's worst game. Him a react, we a watch.